Welcome back to our tech channel. Today we're excited to showcase the Vivo Y200. Let's start with the display. The Vivo Y200 features a 667-inch AMOLED display that offers a full HD experience with 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the Vivo Y200 is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 chipset. And 8GB of RAM, this phone can handle everything from daily tasks and comes with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual main camera setup, featuring a 64mm wide lens with GOIS and a 12mm depth sensor. The Vivo Y200 delivers crisp, detailed images with 16mm front camera. The design of the Vivo Y200 is just as impressive as its specs. It boasts a glass front, a plastic frame, and a glass back. The phone comes with 4,800 mAh battery and 44 fast charging capability. The Vivo Y200 comes in two striking colors, jungle green and desert gold, each adding a touch of elegance to the device. In conclusion, the Vivo Y200 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a stylish, powerful, and feature-packed smartphone. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and the latest tech news. Stay tuned for more updates on the Vivo Y200 and other exciting gadgets.